Strange noises are generally indicative that you have a problem. I mean, we've seen everything from snakes in outdoor fan motors to um, fan blades that have come apart, compressors that have come apart, you know, all kinds of stuff that can cause noises. And in general, there's a problem. So I would say if you hear a strange noise, give us a call. It's better to be safe than sorry because something like a fan blade that's bent or damaged can ultimately lead to the failure of something major like a compressor if it's not taken care of. And then what should be a couple $100 ends up being thousands of dollars. So, strange noise, give us a call.